Have you ever wondered how football became a global phenomenon? Well, hold on to your hats because we're about to embark on a fascinating journey through the evolution of this beloved sport. Picture this, it's the medieval times, a period known for its knights and castles. But amidst all that, there was a game, a chaotic, violent game that vaguely resembled what we now call football. This game had no rules, no limits, and was often played between neighboring towns, with as many as 1,000 players trying to drag inflated pigs' bladders or leather balls into their opponent's territory. However, as the centuries rolled on, attempts were made to tame this wild beast of a game. In the early 19th century, English public schools began to shape it into a more structured form. Different schools had different rules, some allowing hands, others forbidding them, and some even permitting tripping or hacking an opponent. Yes, you heard it right. Fast forward to the mid-19th century, when a group of Englishmen decided it was time to standardize the rules. In 1863, the Football Association was formed, and the game was split into two distinct forms: rugby football, which allowed the use of hands, and association football, which did not. The latter, of course, is the game we now simply call football. The game continued to evolve and grow in popularity throughout the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The first international match was held between England and Scotland in 1872, and the first professional football league was established in England in 1888. As the 20th century progressed, football truly became a global phenomenon. The first World Cup was held in Uruguay in 1930, and has since become the most watched sporting event in the world. The game also spread to every corner of the globe, from the favelas of Brazil to the streets of London, the fields of Africa to the parks of the United States. But football is more than just a game. It's a language that transcends borders, a culture that unites people, and a passion that ignites hearts. From a chaotic medieval pastime, it has transformed into a global phenomenon, a spectacle that captivates billions. It has produced legends, moments of magic, and stories of triumph and heartbreak. So the next time you watch a match, remember the journey this beautiful game has taken. From medieval melee to global phenomenon, the story of football is a testament to the power of sport. It's a story that continues to be written with every kick, every goal, and every cheer. That's it for today's deep dive into the history of football. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating tales. And if you've got any thoughts or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Until next time, keep the football spirit alive.